Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create colorful, abstract, modern background design in Adobe Illustrator. Start tool. Points 8. Select star shape and go to effect menu and stylize and round corners. Radius 50 pixels. Stroke 30 point. Gradient panel Control F9. Left side gradient shaded color R255, G123, B172. Middle gradient shaded color R255, G0, B255. Right side gradient shaded color R212, G20, B90. Adjust gradient shaders. Make smaller shape. Copy Ctrl C. Paste in front Ctrl F. Fill color none. Make it bigger shape. Go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify steps 8. Go to object menu and expand. Select shape and right click and ungroup. Shift Ctrl G. Select alternate shapes and give different gradient colors. Left side gradient shaded color R0, G255, B255. Middle gradient shaded color R0, G11, B188. Right side gradient shaded color R41, G171, B226. Select shape and go to object menu and envelope, distort and make with mesh. Alt Control M. Rows 8, columns 6. Use direct selection tool to edit anchor point. Use rectangle tool to draw a horizontal shape. Fill color R0, G1, 3, B46. Select shape and arrange and send to back. Shift Control open square bracket. Again draw a horizontal box shape. Select all and right click and make clipping mask. Control 7. Finally, your modern abstract background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create abstract background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.